Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm at the emergency because few days ago nag-start na sumakit ang aking tiyan at hindi matanggal-tanggal ang sakit niya and I can no longer go to work. So ngayon ay nasa waiting area ako because I have to go for a CT scan. And they gave me water to drink before na magpa-CT scan tayo. I already finished it because I don't like to be sitting down here for a long time. So, ang dami actually yung binigay. But I have to finish it daw bago magpa-CT scan. So, ayan. Tapos natin inumin. So, I'm just waiting for my time. So, ayan. I have this one on me because this is where they injected the medicine while they put me in that big machine for the CT scan. So, they will remove it later. But, I am just waiting for the result first before they will remove this one. So what is the result of my test? So actually they did blood test, urine test. I also did ultrasound, and the last is the CT scan. And the result is it's my cyst at my right ovary that makes my tummy ache so badly. So they actually injected me a painkiller that is stronger than Tylenol. That's why I'm feeling better right now. But for the past days, it was just very painful. And this morning, I cannot really go to work because of pain. So what will be the next thing that I will have to do? So I have to consult a specialist and we will see kung ano i-recommend niya na gagawin natin dito sa cyst na to kasi lumaki siya active siya. And this is what I love here in Canada, their healthcare system. Kahit pabalik-balik ako sa emergency, it's free, walang bayad. I went to the yung doktor na espesyalista, and then sinabi niya na oo nga daw, kailangan daw operahan. So, ito na naman, another medical, na naman nagagawin sa akin, procedure na gagawin sa akin, and it is also free. So, I'm just waiting for an schedule, kasi fully booked na ang December, so probably daw sa January na ako ma-operate. So, ang gagawin nila sa akin is laparoscopic surgery. Na may papasok daw dito sa aking tiyan, and then I don't know, hindi kasi ako medical but in-explain lang sa akin kung ano yun. So yun, tapos may camera nilalagay sa tiyan ko, tapos tatanggalin lang yung yung aking cyst sa aking right ovary. So which is really good kasi talagang pag sumakit yun, talagang hindi ko kaya yung pain. So yun talaga ang napaka-importante. So yun susunod na aking aantayin ulit na ang aking surgery, which is I'm thankful dahil kahit I will go through that, I'm thankful to the Lord dahil free ang surgery. So I just want to discuss about the best thing that I like here in Canada. For 19 years that I am already here in Canada, this is the best thing that I like here in Canada. Maybe other people will not agree with me, but of course, may kanya-kanya kaming opinion. Dahil iba-iba po ang pangangailangan namin bilang citizen dito sa Canada. So, before actually, hindi ko rin siya na-appreciate nung bago ako. So, nung bago ako dito kasi, dumating ako dito is, I was just 20 something, yeah. In my 20s. And at my age, at that time, wala akong sakit. The only thing that I wanted was to just work, which I did. So I just work and work and work. Now that I am in my 40s, this is the time where I appreciate it talaga. This so much. Dahil talagang when you work so hard when you're younger, when you turn into 40, you will say, oh, mag-i-slow down na talaga. Life begins at 40 kasi doon mo na nararamdaman yung mga aray, aching na. Doon na mag-i-start na you will use lahat ng mga oil na yan na pang haplos-haplos sa mga masakit na katawan. Actually, nag-start nung pandemic. Yung kasagsagan ng pandemic, pabalik-balik ako talaga sa emergency. So, 6 times I've been back and forth to the emergency. And that's the 7th time. Yung pinakita ko kanina is the 7th time that I went to the emergency. Kasi nung kasagsagan ng pandemic, tumataas ang blood pressure ko na hindi ko naiintindihan. So, I have to run to the emergency kasi talagang hindi ko alam hanggang sa meron na akong maintenance ng high blood pressure, and I was also diagnosed with anxiety. So, I'm taking up medication. So, dami nangyari. And this is where I really appreciated yung healthcare system ng Canada. With my 19 years of stay here in Canada, yun talaga ang nagustuhan ko. I even went through MRI sa ulo, and you know the MRI is really very expensive, but dito it's free. I went through CT scan, how many times na CT scan ang ulo ko, na CT scan ang tiyan ko, you know, and dito pagka pumupunta ka sa annual check-up mo, talagang libre lahat. So long as you have a valid health card. We are planning na uuwi sa Pilipinas para mag-retire. Parang napapaisip talaga ako dahil sabi ko kahit meron kaming enough money to retire, kung nagkasakit naman ako, pag pumunta pa ako sa emergency, pabalik-balik, di mauubos din ang pera namin, di ba? So, napapaisip talaga ako. Parang hindi ko kaya nang iwanan ang Canada because of health reasons. This is one of the best that I love here in Canada. So, I don't know sa inyo mga langga, pero you can comment down below kung andito ka sa Canada. You can comment down below kung anong best thing that you like here in Canada. Kasi ako, ang healthcare system. Maaring iba sa iyo, so please comment down below para we can able to learn from each other. So, okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog.